The Falcons didn't make it to the Super Bowl this year. A lot of folks out of town are showing a lot of love to the ATL, and we really appreciate that.
Well, we have Jennifer Bellamy back in our Midtown studio with more of today's headlines. Jennifer?
Yeah, you've heard a little bit about it, but Atlanta's certainly getting its shine on to kick off Super Bowl 53 tonight. Sisters duo Chloe and Halle kick things off with a wonderful rendition of America the Beautiful. The ladies straight out of Atlanta are known for their roles on the show Grownish. And you just heard us talking about them for the new to the legendary Gladys Knight, four-time Grammy winner. She is getting rave reviews for her performance of the national anthem. Everyone agreeing that she knocked it out of the bins, so to speak. And another very special moment, a moment, though, that some weren't expecting was the civil rights icons you just saw, Andrew Young and John Lewis, joined by Bernice King, the daughter of Dr. Martin Luther King, for that coin toss to start the game. Bernice tweeted out this, saying it was a significant moment, saying that her mission is justice for all, and she says that humanity is turning the tide and our efforts must include bridge builders. So she said it was certainly an honor for her to be out there with those legends who marched with her father to welcome everybody and start the game off Atlanta style.